Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to draw a character using smoke patterns. From my previous video, you might have figured out that we can use dark shades of low energy colors or high energy colors as per our wish, and it will be intelligent not to mix them as far as our background is concerned. So I am using all the three dark colors, all the three low energy colors for dramatic effect in my background. So I will definitely tend to use the colors of similar patterns as the bright construct of my image. So I am starting with the undertone. For a character, the bright sections will be made up of smoke, and the absence of smoke will provide the shades or the dark patterns of the character. So I first tried to build an undertone. Now I am building the highlight areas. Using light green, I built the undertone, and you can see the highlighting areas will determine the texture of my smoke. And I am using some source direction of the smoke, so I extended the highlight part there. Now I started smudging. As you learned, for thin smoke, undertone is no good. So from the source, I wanted to keep the smoke pattern thin, so I used no undertone there. And it's good that from the source a smoke naturally builds up after some distance. From the source it remains thin, so I am just trying to reflect that effect here. And I am building my character slowly. As you can see, I am working on the chin area and now moving towards the cheek, and the smoke pattern for thick smoke will be distorted first. So what I am doing is distorting the entire structure heavily without losing too much of integrity. Now I am moving towards the eyebrow area, and eventually I will move to the section of hair, and I am smudging it now. First I am distorting the entire structure, then I will try to build the shape as per my wish. As you can already see that the whole figure is taking shape of a face. Now I am doing some much work on the hair, and just after some time you will be able to recognize the character all by yourself. But I can give you a hint. The true DC fans must have recognized it by now already, and so you can guess what I am going to construct here. Now I am doing the outer cheek area, and after that I will develop the nose. The important thing is I am having to keep in mind all the time that my bright sections of the figure will be made up of smoke patterns, and the dark sections will be provided using the absence of smoke. So wherever I am lacking some shades or dark areas, I am lending them from the empty space or from the background of the picture using reverse smudge, or you can say using or extending the area to the bright portions or wherever I am lacking the bright portions in my figure, I am blending them from the main colors which I used. You can see I used dark green, dark violet and dark blue background for my picture. So for the main frame, or you can say for the main texture of the smoke, I mainly used light green, bright blue and white colors. If I was supposed to use light red, then it would not provide me much contrast to really give it the importance of the main subject matter. But I am bound to use red here, so I am using it a bit on the darker tone, and you can see the dark red is getting effortlessly mixed up with the main structure. Now overall the work is almost at its basic frame, and now I will work just to my satisfaction and give it a good finishing, and you enjoy the rest of the video. In the comment section you can obviously say whatever else you have to suggest, whatever else you have learned from it, or how much you are improving, and obviously what do you think about my drawing or this work. Please enjoy the video to the end, and I am going to speed it up from here. Thank you for watching. See you later.